Hi friends, welcome to Kalahasthi Facts YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about world topmost women political leaders from Static GK Part 3 for competitive examinations. Here are even more influential women political leaders who have made history globally. Chandrika Kumartunga from Sri Lanka. Chandrika Kumartunga was the first female president of Sri Lanka, serving from 1994 to 2005. She focused on economic reforms and peace efforts in a country marked by civil war. Dilma Rousseff from Brazil. The first woman president of Brazil from 2011 to 2016, Rousseff's tenure focused on reducing poverty and expanding social welfare programs. She was a key figure in Brazil's Workers' Party. Julia Gillard from Australia. Julia Gillard served as Australia's first female Prime Minister from 2010 to 2013. She implemented significant reforms in education and disability support while advocating for women's rights. Austrian politician Benita Ferrero-Waldner served as foreign minister and later as the European Union Commissioner, making a mark in international diplomacy. Park Geun-hye from South Korea. As South Korea's first female president from 2013 to 2017, Park Geun-hye led the country during a time of political challenges. Despite controversies, her election was a milestone for women in Asia. Winnie Byanyima, an accomplished Ugandan politician and diplomat, has led significant initiatives as the executive director of UNAIDS and as a global advocate for women's rights. Rosa Otunbayeva from Kyrgyzstan. Rosa Otunbayeva was the first female president of Kyrgyzstan from 2010 to 2011 and played a pivotal role in establishing the country after political unrest. Joyce Banda from Malawi. The first female president of Malawi from 2012 to 2014, Joyce Banda focused on improving women's empowerment, economic development and fighting corruption. Katrin Jakobsdóttir from Iceland. Iceland's Prime Minister since 2017, Jakobsdóttir is known for her environmental advocacy, commitment to gender equality and progressive policies. Samia Suluhu Hassan from Tanzania. In 2021, Samia Suluhu Hassan became Tanzania's first female president. She is known for her fostering international cooperation and promoting economic growth. These leaders have contributed to break barriers and setting new standards in political leadership worldwide. Let me know if you don't like details about any of them. Please comment us and do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.